strong and squally winds for today. Bureau Meteorology Victoria has a ongoing severe weather warning in place for damaging winds. The warning remains current for the central East Gippsland, southwest, northern country, north central, northeast, west and south Gippsland, along with parts of the Mallee and Wimmera forecast districts. A vigorous cold front is sweeping across Victoria, damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour expected across the warning area, particularly during the late morning and afternoon. The strongest gusts are likely to be associated with showers and or thunderstorms. Wind gusts are then expected to ease below warning threshold by the early evening. Locations which could be affected: Melbourne, Ballarat, Warrnambool and Bendigo. Bureau Meteorology has in place a gale wind warning for the Port Phillip Bay, the Western Port, West Coast, Central Coast, the Central Gippsland and the East Gippsland Coast, and a strong wind warning for the Gippsland Lakes. Vigorous winds also over the central eastern parts of the state of New South Wales today. Here's the latest from the Bureau. Severe weather warning for damaging winds for the metropolitan Illawarra, parts of the mid-north coast, the Hunter, south coast, central tablelands, southern tablelands forecast districts. Vigorous west to northwesterly winds are forecast to develop over the higher ground about the central parts of the state during today ahead of the approaching cold front. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour is expected over the Illawarra, south metropolitan, the central coast, parts of the southern and central tablelands, including the Hunter forecast districts, along with the Barrington tops. Winds are then expected to gradually ease overnight Saturday into Sunday, and locations which could be affected: Newcastle, Gosford, Sydney, Wollongong, Nowra, Bowra, Katoomba, Goulburn, Barrington tops. 102 kilometres an hour or 55 knots wind gusts at Bellambi at 4:35 a.m. today. Bureau Meteorology has also cancelled a severe weather warning for the Snowy Mountains. However, they have a gale warning in place for the Eden Coast, strong wind warning to Sydney, close waters, Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra and Bateman's Coast. Now we have a look at the latest storm probabilities. This is the GFS model information bottom of the screen. Maximum temperatures for the capital cities: 32 expected for Sydney, 16 Melbourne, 30 here in Brisbane, Perth 29, 19 in Adelaide, 16 Hobart, Canberra 19 and a high of 33 for Darwin. Now we have a look at storm probabilities. This is from 7 a.m. through to about 1600 hours tonight. Becoming windy, mostly sunny. Sydney, showers, windy. Melbourne, sunny in Brisbane, morning smoke haze, then sunny. Perth, partly cloudy. Adelaide, showers increasing down there in Hobart. Possible shower and windy for Canberra. Possible shower or storm. up there in Darwin. Supercell probabilities. Current temperature in Sydney 23.5, Melbourne 11.5, 19.9, Brisbane 13.3, Perth 13.5, Adelaide 12.3, Hobart 14, in Canberra 27.2, Darwin. Now we have a look at the latest rainfall outlook information from the Bureau of Meteorology. In addition to what's produced on the AU channel, we also have our main channel and more severe weather for various states of the US, and you can monitor our US channel.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.